Joining us on the phone line now is Mr. Nalin Kohli of the BJP. Mr. Nalin Kohli, another setback for Rahul Gandhi. Congress leaders who we've spoken to so far are saying this is expected. We can't expect justice from the Gujarat courts.
This is a terrible comment. It should be condemned. As a practicing lawyer, and the Congress has many senior people, Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi is there, Mr. Kapil Sibal was there. They have a whole series of very, very senior lawyers. Mr. Chidambaram is there. Do they treat the courts like this? Do they consider the courts to be biased? Day in and day out, the courts in India, high courts, the Honorable Supreme Court, different courts are passing out judgment after judgment. A judgment will go in favor of somebody and will go against somebody. Just because the judgment doesn't suit you politically, are you going to run down the entire scheme of the judicial system where you are yourself participating? And what is this expectation? That just because I am Rahul Gandhi, I am the Congress party, I should get a special privilege from the court? Is there not Article 14 that talks about equality before law? Can an Indian citizen say that I am to be treated unequally and put on a privilege because I belong to a certain political party or I belong to a certain family? It's an impossibility in our constitutional scheme. So it's 100% condemnable.
The Congress's argument is that there's been an extraordinary punishment because he's Rahul Gandhi.
So why does the Congress party shy away from the basic point? Mr. Rahul Gandhi, what was his statement? Ye sare Modi surname wale log chor kyun hote hain? He goes out and insults a community, insults a backward and OBC community. If he chooses to be more circumspect with his words, he won't have these kind of cases filed against him. And if he had apologized, perhaps this case would not even have been contested further. But instead of, after the conviction also, he calls this Satya ki ladai. How can there be truth in a statement like all people with Modi surname are thieves? So in his so-called political plan of attacking Prime Minister Modi, he goes ahead and runs down an entire community. Can that be acceptable? Is that politically prudent?
Okay. Mr. Nalin Kohli, thank you very much for joining us here on India Today.